Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to delete your browsing data from the last day in Google Chrome. Whether you want to clear your history for privacy reasons or just to tidy up your browser, this process is simple. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's open, you'll notice the familiar interface that we all know and love. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, find and click on Delete Browsing Data. This option will take you to a new window where you can manage what data you want to remove from Chrome. Now, you'll see a section that allows you to choose the time range for the data you want to delete. For our purpose today, select Last 24 hours. This option ensures that only the browsing data from the past day will be cleared, leaving older history intact. After selecting the time range, make sure that the checkbox for Browsing History is checked. You can also choose to delete other types of data, such as cookies or cached images. But for now, we're focusing solely on your browsing history. Finally, once everything looks good, click on the Delete Data button at the bottom of the window. This action will remove all browsing data from the last 24 hours. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully deleted your last day's browsing data on Google Chrome. Regularly clearing your browsing history can help keep your online activities private and your browser running smoothly. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need it too. Happy browsing!